Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create this part in Solidworks. First of all, I create a line, center line of 129 mm. I select top plane, sketch, normal, select line command, select midpoint line, draw one line here, right click, select option, select this line, make horizontal, again select this line, make construction geometry, smart dimension, length of the line is 129 mm. Right click, select option. Now we draw two circles. In this side circle is radius of 30 mm and this side circle of radius 20 mm. Select circle command, draw one circle here and one circle here. Right click, select option. Smart dimension. Radius of this circle is 30 mm, so its dia will be 60 mm, and this side radius is 20 mm, dia will be 40 mm. Smart dimension. This circle 60 mm diameter and this side 40 mm diameter. Right click, select option. Now we draw a hexagon here inside this circle. I select polygon command. Number of sides 6 sides. Here are two options, inscribe circle and circumscribe. In inscribe circle, this circle arc is connected with center of the edge, but in circumscribe the corners are connected with circle. We need this type of polygon, so I select inscribe circle. Select this, delete it, select this, delete it. Select polygon command, select inscribe circle, draw one polygon here, right click, select option. Select this line, make horizontal, right click, select option. Smart dimension from this point to this point, enter 20 mm. Similarly here, we will draw a pentagon here of 15 mm distance from here to here. I select polygon, number of sides 5, inscribe circle and draw one polygon here, right click, select option. Smart dimension from here to here 15 mm. Right click, select option. Select this line, make horizontal, come back from the sketch, extrude it up to 15 mm. Go to features, extruded boss face feature 15 mm. Select mid plane. Select OK. Now we draw this portion. For that, again select top plane, sketch normal. First of all, we create a slot of 70 mm length in between this point to this point. For that, I select line, center line, select this point and this point. Right click, select option. Now go to slot, select center point, straight slot. Select the center point of this line and draw one slot here. Right click, select option. Smart dimension from this point to this point. This is 70 mm. From this line to this line, this is 10 mm. Right click, select option. Now we draw these lines. For that, I select offset entities, offset this line, 10 mm this side and 10 mm opposite side. Select OK. Select this circle, convert entities, and select this circle, convert entities. Go to trim entities, select extend entities. Extend this line, this side, this line, and this line. Right click, select option. Trim entities, power trim, trim this portion and this portion. Right click, select option. Come back from the sketch, extruded boss face, select mid plane, extrude it up to 10 mm. Select OK. Now we apply fillet of radius 5 mm. Select feature, fillet feature 5 mm. Items to fillet, select this corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner. Select OK. Now this part is ready. We will apply some color here. Go to edit appearance, and apply any color from here. I select this color, select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.